So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And if you have Motorola a smartphone like Motorola G85 5G and your Motorola smartphone is stuck when you configure your smartphone, you forget your Gmail ID account credentials. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your any Motorola smartphone like Motorola G85 5G without using Gmail ID account detail. In just only 5 minutes we can unlock this smartphone without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. So let's start the video first. You can see here this Motorola smartphone is completely hard resetted and ready to start your configuration, but you forget your Gmail ID account detail and you cannot configure your smartphone without using Gmail ID. Okay, so you have to take some important action into your Motorola smartphone. So first of all, you have to change your region. Yes my friend, if your smartphone language selected to English United States, then okay, otherwise you have to change the English United States language. Then after you have to open the emergency call option here, and then after you have to enter a very unique service center code here, and the code is *911130*0*#, and then after you have to call this code and done. Okay, go back, and now your smartphone is ready to apply unlocking method, and this method is completely free and certified by service center. So you can now use this method into your logged Motorola smartphone. After that, click a start button here, and at this moment you have to remove your SIM tray. So you have to eject the SIM tray like that, and you can use the charging cable if you need, but at this moment we have to remove the charging data cable. After that, click a skip. Okay, click a skip again, and at this time you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This is very important and necessary. So you have to connect the first with the internet. When your smartphone is connected to the internet, click more, click Motorola privacy policy, and you can see here the new page comes. So go down and select the last option, go down again and find the last option. This is motorola.com/support. so click here to open this. Wait for a few seconds to completely open this page. After that, when this website is open, go down and find the software fix option. Okay, after that go down again and ensure that your smartphone is selected to the United States. Go down again, and here you have to find this option. Wait for a few seconds. Yes my friend, sorry, this is the download option. So you have to click the download option here, and then after go down again and find this support option. So click here to support, click right to repair. Wait for a second and find the first option, iFixit. So click here to open this iFixit option, and then go down to the last, and you can see here there are some social media icons. So you have to find the YouTube icon and click here to open this. Okay, and then after go to the account setting option here and click to sign in. But you can see here this page will not working well. So zoom in this page and go down and find this help option. Okay, so click here to open this help option. After waiting of a second, this Google account help page will open now. So go down and click this verify your account, the second last option, and click it to open. Then after, go down. Then after, find turn cookies on or off. And click done. Done again, you have to click accept and continue. Don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to learn how can you unlock your smartphone. After that, your phone will asking to enter your pin pattern password lock, but you forget this, so try 5 times random password. Okay, and after that you can see here the timer has been started, so click use my Google account instead. But you can see here there are no any escape message in this page. Okay, there are no any escape message. So go back to the home screen again, and finally you have to open the emergency call option here, and finally you have to enter also the Google FRP removal code here, and the code is *#899*0*813*#, and you have to dial this number and wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5 and completed. Now you can unlock your smartphone as usual. So click escape again, click more, click accept and continue. And done. You can see here the small skip option has been appeared in this page, means you can now skip whole this process by using this skip option, and now your smartphone is completely unlocked now by using this amazing service center method. But if you have any queries regarding this method, so comment us first your model name, then after our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock any Motorola smartphone by using this method. If you have any queries, our team will help you if you comment your specific model name. Okay, so don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise my friend you won't be able to learn how can you unlock this any Motorola smartphone. Okay, so you can see here this Motorola is completely unlocked now. So this is very amazing service center offline method tool. So now you can use this into your Motorola smartphone, and then after you can enjoy your smartphone by using this method. So if you have any queries, comment us, our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.